In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email a folder in Outlook. Sometimes you need to send entire folders of documents or images through email, but Outlook doesn't allow you to attach folders directly. Don't worry, I've got you covered with a simple workaround that involves compressing the folder into a zip file before attaching it to your email. So let's dive into it. First, let's open a web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Outlook page. Once you're there, you'll see the sign in option prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on sign in. Now, you'll need to enter your login details. Make sure you have these details handy, whether it's your work email or personal account. Accuracy here is key to quick access. After inputting your email and password, click next to proceed. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Outlook dashboard. This is your central hub for emails and where we'll be working from today. Now, let's locate the folder you'd like to email. This might be stored on your desktop or in your Documents folder. Navigate to the location of the folder, then right-click on it. From the options that appear, look for Compress or Send to, and then Compress Zipped Folder. This action creates a zip file, which is simply a compressed version of the original folder, making it easier to send via email. After you've compressed your folder, head back to the Outlook dashboard. Look towards the top of your screen for the New Mail or New Message button and give it a click to begin composing your email. You'll be greeted with a fresh message window. Go ahead and fill in the recipient's email address and any subject line you deem fit. With the email in progress, let's attach that zipped file. At the top of the message window, you'll notice a tab named Insert. Click on this tab to reveal a variety of options. Among them, look for the Attach File option. Clicking this will open a file directory window. Navigate through this window to find the zipped folder you created earlier. Once you've found and selected the zipped folder, it should be attached to your email. Take a moment to ensure everything looks correct. If you need to, you can add a personal message or further details about the contents in the message body. Finally, once you're satisfied with everything, look for the Send button and give it a click. Your email, complete with the attached folder, is now on its way to the recipient. And just like that, you've successfully learned how to send a folder via email in Microsoft Outlook by compressing it to a zip file. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to drop any questions or feedback in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.